Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the demand for loans in South Africa is at an all-time high? Stay tuned to find out how you can tap into this lucrative market by starting your own loan business. Today, we're diving into the world of entrepreneurship in South Africa, focusing on the opportunity of starting a loan business. With the economy on the rise and more people looking for financial assistance, establishing a loan business could be your ticket to success. Understanding the market. Before diving into the specifics of starting a loan business, it's essential to understand the South African credit market. The demand for credit is driven by various factors, including the need for personal loans, business financing, and microloans. The South African Reserve Bank regulates the financial sector, ensuring stability and consumer protection. Types of loan businesses. In South Africa, loan businesses can operate in various niches: personal loans, offering unsecured loans to individuals; business loans, providing funding for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs; microloans, small, short-term loans often used by individuals who cannot access traditional banking services; payday loans, short-term loans typically repaid on the borrower's next payday; pawn loans, loans secured against personal property. Steps to start a loan business. 1. Market research and business plan. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand, competition, and potential customers. A well-researched business plan should outline your business model, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. This plan will also be crucial when seeking funding or partnerships. 2. Legal structure and registration. Choose an appropriate legal structure for your business. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, or a private limited company. Register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC. Ensure compliance with the National Credit Act, NCA, which governs all credit activities in South Africa. Registration with the National Credit Regulator, NCR, is mandatory. 3. Capital and funding. Starting a loan business requires significant capital. This can come from personal savings, investors, or bank loans. Your business plan will be instrumental in convincing investors or financial institutions to provide the necessary funding. Ensure you have a clear strategy for managing funds and liquidity to meet loan demands. 4. Location and infrastructure. Ensure you have a clear strategy for managing funds and liquidity to meet loan demands. Choose a strategic location for your office, ideally in a business district or an area with high foot traffic. 4. Invest in necessary infrastructure, including office space, computers, secure storage for documents, and reliable internet connectivity. An efficient loan management system is crucial for tracking applications, approvals, and repayments. 5. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to regulatory requirements is crucial for the legitimacy and sustainability of your loan business. Register with the NCR and comply with their regulations, including proper disclosure of terms and conditions to clients, fair lending practices, and maintaining accurate records. Regular audits and adherence to compliance standards will prevent legal issues. 6. Developing loan products. Design loan products that meet the needs of your target market. Determine interest rates, loan terms, and repayment schedules. Ensure your products are competitive yet profitable. It's essential to balance attractive rates with the need to cover operational costs and risks. 7. Risk management. Implement robust risk management strategies to mitigate potential losses. Conduct thorough credit assessments of applicants, including credit history checks and verification of income and employment. Develop a clear policy for dealing with defaults and late payments, including the use of collateral where applicable. 8. Marketing and customer acquisition. Create a marketing strategy to attract customers. Use digital marketing, social media, local advertising, and partnerships with local businesses to reach potential borrowers. Building a strong online presence is vital, as many consumers research loan options online before making a decision. 9. Customer service. Excellent customer service is crucial in the financial industry. Train your staff to handle inquiries, process applications efficiently, and provide clear, honest communication. Building trust with your clients will encourage repeat business and referrals. 10. Technology and innovation. Leverage technology to streamline operations and improve customer experience. Implement an online application system, use data analytics for better decision-making, and consider mobile platforms to reach a broader audience. keeping up with technological advancements can give you a competitive edge. Challenges and considerations. Starting a loan business in South Africa comes with challenges, including high competition, regulatory hurdles, and economic fluctuations. It's essential to stay informed about changes in the financial sector and continuously adapt your business model to remain competitive. In summary, starting a loan business in South Africa can be a rewarding venture if approached strategically. By understanding the challenges, conducting thorough research, and focusing on key success factors, you can position your business for growth and profitability in the long run. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips and guides on our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.